I'm always searching for ideas for new watches, and I wanted to create something more complex, something more horological than purely design-driven. I carried this idea with me for a long time, and then the full-scale invasion began, and the idea of creating a field watch was born almost by itself.
A field watch is defined by functionality, a distinctive simplicity, as well as durability and comfort.
Wearing a field watch today feels completely logical. It's the kind of watch that aligns most closely with the reality around us.
Once, I saw the cover of Time magazine featuring Zaluzhny. It said Time, Zaluzhny, and the headline, The General. And I thought, this is it. That's how the name The General was born.
When Andriy suggested making a field watch, I was genuinely surprised because I had been thinking about exactly that myself. This is the kind of time we're living in now, not only in Ukraine, but globally. A time of changing eras, of an ongoing, all-encompassing crisis, one of whose clearest signs is war, and it began with the war in Ukraine. We are living in a completely different reality now, and there is a growing desire for something real, a simplicity that is in itself a form of complexity.
We chose the Miyota 9015, one of the best Miyota movements in its class. The watch has 200 meters of water resistance, sapphire crystal, a stainless steel case with a sandblasted, sun-brushed finish, and a NATO strap. We also paid special attention to the markers. They're not just printed. Our markers have volume. There's a screw-down crown. In other words, everything that a great modern field watch should have. Add to that a strong design and the context we're living in, because we included that as well. Understanding time itself feels especially important right now.
In terms of design, we created 3 different case-back engravings. One is connected directly to the logo itself. The other 2 are limited editions. One of them is dedicated to snipers and features an image of a sniper scope reticle. The second shows a drone interface, the artificial horizon. This version is the carbon model specifically dedicated to drones.
This is a time for the brave. Brave in the sense of those who have the courage to respond to the challenges that modern life places before us. The courage to respond, not to stay on the sidelines, to see, to accept, and to give an answer. This is what responsibility means. The responsibility of a brave person is not to remain silent, in any sense of the word.
This type of watch feels the most relevant to what is happening right now in Ukraine and in the world.
A simple, honest watch. A watch about what a watch truly is precisely because this is our response to the need for sincerity. These watches are carefully thought through in every detail. And as a team, we work together with watch designer Fred, something we are very proud of.
Personally, I'm most drawn to the classic model, the black dial with a stainless steel case, that simple foundational version.
I'm especially drawn to the limited carbon edition. It's dedicated to Operation Spiderweb, and its design is inspired by the forms and materials of drones. What surprised me is that I never expected this. I wasn't really someone who wore field watches. It wasn't my thing. But now I can't take it off. I genuinely love it visually. I didn't expect these watches to become so close to me.